So, recently, I got a letter from Charlie Baker, our governor, and coincidentally, former CEO of Harvard Pilgrim, saying congratulations on being a presidential scholar. And none of this would have been possible if I had not done yes, for sure. Here's the thing. I used to hate competition. Like, I didn't like the connotation of it. I think American culture, it does value competition, but it also kind of mocks it and dilutes it a little. It's like, how many times have you heard the phrase, relax, it's not a competition. Competition has kind of been portrayed as over-aggressive, as negative, like just too much. So if someone says, oh, she's really competitive, these days, especially to kids my age, that's not really a compliment. The competitive kid is the kid who sits at home and studies, doesn't have any friends, just cares about getting a higher grade than everyone else. The competitive kid is the kid who knocks you over when you're playing basketball, just trying to score a basket. That's not who I wanted to be seen as, and I strayed away from that. I was like, I'll be the chill kid, you know, like that's not hard. Like, I will just sit back and try to do that. But I would like everyone to challenge that mindset. Competitiveness is not about beating other people. It is not about having things to brag about. It's not about winning first place. Competitiveness is about wanting to win first place, to be the best and to do your best to achieve your goals. Through Yes, I discovered the competitive spirit in me. Yes introduced me to entrepreneurship, which combined everything that I had liked from high school, like helping people, problem solving, communicating with others, and it wrapped it into one nice package. Yes boosted my confidence through teaching me skills and refining everything that I had to become more successful in future endeavors. And I would not be as successful, I guess, as I can claim to be as an 18-year-old high schooler without Yes. So the best advice that I can give to my peers, or that you as parents can probably give to your kids, is to find something that makes you want to be a competitive person. Find something that makes you want to try your best and be your best. And when you find it. Embrace that competitive spirit and do it. And that is how, hopefully, you will succeed.